People laughed when I stopped starting tomatoes indoors. They said nothing would grow if I planted in the cold. But 5 years later, my harvest tells a different story. Let me show you how winter soil can raise the strongest tomato plants you've ever seen. The idea follows the rhythm of nature itself. In the wild, tomato seeds fall to the ground at the end of the season, rest through the cold months, and wake up only when spring conditions are right. By copying that natural process, I let the environment decide when it's time to grow. There's no need for seed trays, grow lights, or worrying about weak, stretched seedlings. You do the work once in late autumn, and nature takes care of the rest. This method turns gardening from a chore into something easy and calm. While others spend weeks transplanting and adjusting seedlings to outdoor life, my plants are already sprouting on their own. They grow exactly when the soil temperature, light, and moisture are ideal, producing strong stems and deep roots without any human help. The science behind it is simple. When seeds stay in frozen soil, only the most resilient survive the winter. Those that do become hardier, more colorful, and more resistant to cold and drought. Instead of shallow roots formed in small pots, they send deep tap roots into the ground, finding moisture and nutrients on their own. These naturally selected seedlings are less likely to get diseases and are much better adapted to outdoor conditions than pampered indoor ones. As a result, the harvest comes earlier and is often richer. Indoor seedlings waste valuable time recovering from transplant shock, while overwintered ones begin growing the moment the weather allows. They lose no time adapting and make use of the very first warm days. Stronger roots mean better nutrition and water absorption, which leads to fuller flavor and healthier plants overall. For best success, choose early open-pollinated tomato varieties instead of hybrids. Types like Sanka, Yamal, or Rakita are perfect for this approach because they're naturally tolerant to colder weather and open ground conditions. There's very little preparation involved. Never soak or sprout the seeds. Dry ones survive winter best. Moist seeds might germinate too early during a warm spell and die when frost returns. Plant more seeds than usual since some won't make it through the cold, and thin them out in spring, keeping only the strongest. Select a sunny, slightly raised area with loose, well-drained soil. Prepare it in autumn with compost or ashes, make shallow furrows, and keep a small bucket of dry soil indoors. Once the ground is frozen solid, scatter the seeds, cover them with that dry soil, and protect the area with mulch like straw or dry leaves. When spring comes, remove the mulch and let the soil warm naturally. If you want to speed things up, you can cover the bed with plastic for a few days. The first seedlings will look small and purple at the base. Don't worry, that's a sign of their strength. Those hardy little plants will soon grow into vigorous tomato bushes, producing earlier and better harvests than most gardeners would believe possible.